don't even want to take these down, to be honest with you.
If it's name on it, then mine right beside it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. As you can see from the thumbnail, I am trying my first perm rod set on dry natural hair. Prior to starting this style, I watched De La Soul's do's and don'ts of perm rod sets, so I will link her video in the description box. I washed my hair the day before because I wanted my hair to be dry because I didn't want to wait forever and ever and ever, amen, for my hair to dry with these products in it. So my hair is in 4 sections and the sections are detangled and in twists. I'm taking those twists out, separating them, detangling my hair with my hands, then going in with my Moisture Miracle leave-in conditioner spray from my African Pride. These are my top tier favorite products. I have a full review of them on my channel. I will link them in the bar up top. So if you want to check out that video, you can do that. After I massage the spray into my hair, I go in with my shea butter and flaxseed oil curling cream, also from my African Pride. I'm putting just enough on this section of my hair so that I can feel like there's product on it. I'm not putting a ton, but I am going in with a decent amount just so it feels coated. And I think this was a really important step in doing this style, is smoothing the hair out with a detangling brush so it can flatten the hair, smooth the hair out, and it'll be easier to wrap it around the perm rod. I think this was an essential step. Now for the fun part. I am wrapping my ends around the rod itself first and securing them. Then I am twisting my hair up the rod, if you can see the direction. That's so my hair is spread out more across the rod itself and it's easier to dry, especially if you have heavier products in your hair. And I try to do that whole wrap this thing around, secure your roots, whatever. This is probably the only one I did right. And I'm just going to do this all over my head. I'm not being particular about the parts. I'm just parting with my hands, going in with the spray, going in with the curling cream, the rod, and I'm just going to be doing that all over. So I will let you guys watch for a few, and then I'll come back after I put the last perm rod in.
All right, let's just jump in. Let's just dive in. Let's go. All right. Dear Lord. All right. Should I turn it back? Just start it back. Start it back. Start it. All right. All right. Let's. Okay. Let's keep going. See what's up. All right. Okay. Not terrible. Okay. Better than I thought. Okay. All right. Huh. Listen. All right. Okay, so here's this. That's part one. I don't know how to like tie my roots down, like type my roots down. Like the people who do this. I don't know how to do that. But I ain't mad. So, like I said, this part came out a lot better than I anticipated. So there's that. Now to separate them. I'm gonna put oil. Got my little avocado oil. Oil in my hand. We're going. So we don't make unnecessary frizz. Okay. So this curl goes this way. So as I separate, I'm gonna spin it back. Okay, so that little turn, that matters. Okay. I think that's all of them. So here's 360. Kind of wish I had a not middle part, but it's fluffed. And see what we're working with. I have a pick. I'm just gonna hold the end and take care of the roots, just the roots. I work too doggone hard to pick these curls out, but let's see how we do. Here we go. Here's the final look. I don't want to do too much to it because it looks decent. It actually looks like I did something, you know? It actually looks like.
If you made it all the way to the end, you are a real one. So you definitely should be subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much. Wash your hands. Stay safe. Because apparently everything and everybody is just out of control, crazy, ridiculous. So Self-love is the best love. See y'all next time.